in our mission to vanquish all the first world problems out of this garage that we've just made over. The next thing on the list is a wall-mounted vacuum cleaner. Now, Giraffe Tools have sent us this one over. This one has got a 30-foot hose. It's got all the tools you need to come with it. It's wall-mountable. It's always here. It's ready to go. I'm going to show you today how good this thing is for not just cars, but for the workshop too. Why do we need this? Look, we used to have a ducted system for the house that was here before the garage was made over, and it actually, about 2 days before the garage door stopped working, this thing went on fire. I was dead set cleaning out the cruiser, and it went whoa, and I looked up and there was smoke billowing out of it. So it's gone. We never use it inside the house anyway, so we've deleted that. We've got it patched over. Now this one's come along, and to be honest, this one was good, the old one, the ducted one, but it sort of lost its suck. But at the end of it, it wouldn't suck the skin off a rice pudding. It was that weak. So this Giraffe Tools wall-mounted vacuum cleaner, this has got a 20 kPa motor in it, and it's got just over 9 meters long hose. It's wall-mounted. It comes with all of these tools, and I haven't actually used this yet, so we're going to use it for the first time together. What's cool about it is it also has, this is kind of exciting me because I've got this brand new epoxy flooring. This is a squeegee. This will do wet and dry. So yesterday, my wife came in with her car and it was chucking it down with rain outside, and the whole garage floor was wet. And because we got this diamond coating, which is so good, it's so slippery in the wet, I can now squeegee my nice new garage floor and vacuum it at the same time. That's really cool. Plus, all the other bits and bobs for doing carpets and doing the corners. I want to get into the corners of the shed. This will stretch the whole way across into the other corner of the shed and right down to the street too. So it doesn't need to come off the wall. It's always there. It's going to be much easier to use. And I guess all of us will use this a lot more because you don't have to drag the other one from outside or use a little electric powered portable one. So yeah, this is just what the doctor ordered. All right, let's put this thing to the test. What I do like about it, first up, I noticed when we installed it, is it's got this threaded rod at the front that actually guides the hose on and off. So it reels it up properly. You don't have to worry about it all getting tangled up coming in and out. Let's take it to full stretch. Yes, it is. Love it. All the way, it would actually get the cruisers in the way, but that will get right into the corner now. How good's that? Getting into the nitty gritty of it, it does have a HEPA filter on the top. It does come with some spares too, so you can change it over when one gets dirty. And I suppose the nature of those is I think you can wash them out too, so they'll be reusable for a long time. So out of all these tools, we'll probably end up using all of them, but the first thing I want to do, we just did get back from a trip with the cruiser and we've cleaned all the outside, haven't really got stuck into the inside yet. So I use the floor mats first, and I think maybe this tool will be good with one of these lances. Put that on. Now the other cool thing, this comes with a remote control on the handle. So I don't know if you're anything like me and you're out vacuuming, and the next thing you're getting, bits of rubbish out of the car too, and you're walking to the bin with them. The vacuum cleaner's just running this way. It's on, and it's off, all on the handle. I think that's cool. The neighbours are going to love you for it as well. All right, let's put this in and we'll go over and give it a go. So with just 2 latches to undo, there's no bag or any of that sort of nonsense. You just undo this and that goes straight into the bin. Now, this is big. There's not much dirt on the garage floor because I like to keep it clean. There was a fair bit of dirt in the cruiser, which we've got all out. I will end up hosing this out, keep it nice and good, but that's a big area. Like, that's a lot of space in there. So you wouldn't be emptying this that much. Otherwise you're a grot and your car's full of nonsense and you shouldn't let it get like that. Big bin, empty out. Put it back up, just goes back up in. 2 latches. Robert, your cousin's father. Yes, I was given this, but one of the reasons I said yes when Giraffe Tools approached me is because my ducted vacuum cleaner had broken. I didn't have a shop vac. So I said, look, let's give it a go. I've had a big smile on my face. This thing seriously cleaned the cruiser It's powerful. I love the way it's on the wall. I love the way it just retracts in and out. All the tools, I've used every one of them today. It's very handy. What impressed me maybe the most, because I've got a brand new floor, is this squeegee vac. Wet or dry, this thing a beast. It's an absolute beast. Now look, there's a link below. We'll try and organise a discount code for you as well. We'll try and get 10% off. I think they said they would. Giraffe Tools, this is the one with the remote control, wall-mounted vacuum cleaner. I dead set love this thing. So if you watch the channel for any length of time, you'll know that like everything we put our name to or anything we review, we give brutally honest reviews, and I always try and find negatives. Now, I've been trying to find a negative for this, and I've come up with a couple what I think could be negatives, but they really don't worry me too much at all. It is quite bulky. It's a heavy, big, bulky unit. We're lucky enough that we've got all the bikes in this wall. It does sit out a fair bit, but normally the garage doors do anyway. But it's a really good vacuum for the money, and I suppose it's so good you might want to use it inside, but because it is fixed to the wall, you can't. So it's just for the cars and just for the shed and just for anything within 9 or so meters reach. And saying that, you could probably mount it at the back of your wall of your garage. You might get inside a bit, but you're going to need another one for inside. Those are the only negatives I can find. I dead set. Now, I've only used it once. Let's fast forward 6 months, and if it's not doing what it should do, I'll do another review back then. But at the minute, can't fault it. Very happy. Thank you, Giraffe Tools. I'll be using this lots.